Hi, I greet you all in their venue. Pampanga, Makati, Pasay, Laguna, Batangas, Pangasinan, Tagaytay, Mindanao, Visayas also. If you watch me in this YouTube channel, I'm very happy because you see me in this YouTube channel. Where you have creating that? Because I create this channel, I just never mind because it's been real. I introduce myself like I born August 27. I'm here in the country of the Philippines. And just the other way that I say, for the no mean what I say, just follow what can I should that will say to you. Like for now, like you else, what you else when you see me in the YouTube channel. You think and you see I'm rich or poor? There's no people in this venue. Cause it's very private. This is private location. Never the other person who just near to me and say, hey, what you like, what you mean, what you can. Then I answer that. Then I say, wala lang kasi gusto ko lang ipaliwanag sa inyo, ipakita sa inyo na kahit pa paano ang tao, kahit mahirap o mayaman, ay merong pagpapahalaga sa buhay. Kasi katulad ng ibang mahirap, di ba? Kahit mahirap sila, talagang tsaga sila sa pagtatrabaho nila. Kasi alam nila ngayon ang panahon, napakahirap. Katulad ko, napakasimpleng tao ako. Isa lang akong freelancer. Yun na nga, katulad ng yun nga, yung sinabi ko sa inyo, diba, nandoon ako. Kahit pwede kang magtrabaho ng naaayon sa'yo. At saka, basta mabuti yung mabuti yung pananaw mo sa buhay, tsaka sa pamilya mo, o sa mga ibang kamag-anak mo. Basta, just in your country, yan. Just you need help and take help to the other person. Much better kung talagang magtutulungan kayo sa isa't isa, di ba? Basta palagi kayong maniniwala at palagi kayong magdadasal, syempre. Always just pray and stay away to drugs forever and ever, and take care always para talagang palaging maingat, walang malayo kayo sa disgrasya. Yun ang mahalaga. Tignan mo ako, kahit ganito forma ko pinapaniwalaan ako kasi the way that I'm saying, it's been real. At saka talagang lahat ng nasa YouTube channel at saka sa FB pages, katulad ko, dahil basta ano nyo lang, i-type nyo sa ano, www. Ernie code sifhat then .com.ph. Yan lang ilalagay mo palagi kasi talagang kailangan ng ano mo dyan. Una, account mo, how much yun? Tatanong sa'yo, denomination, then what you answer in that, and what you answer about that? Then you didn't answer, you have nothing. The meaning to say is you've got him down. Ibig sabihin, drop out. Para kang drop out sa isang sa katulad ng halimbawa nag-aaral ka, mahilig ka mag-cutting classes, mahilig ka mag-gala, mahilig kang palagi kang mali sa mga sagot. It's better to hard to learn much para malaman mo lahat ng mga pagkakamali mo at para paniwalaan ka rin ng mga ng mga Filipino citizen, American citizen, Japanese citizen, Chinese citizen, Arabian citizen, o whatever country. Just know your name. Talagang much better maniniwala sa iyan. Ako, three language I know to speak. But the other, it's like to understand what I speak. Just like what I else now. International language, English language, yan. Medyo 90 to 95% ako dahil however naman tapos naman ako ng pag-aaral. At saka siyempre, may tustusin na akong may mga tustusin na ako, mayroon na akong pananagutan sa buhay ko. Pero, complicated kaya masyadong it's been difficult to explain to them and to my other relatives and my family also. Then, what's more, you see them. What do you feel when you see me in this YouTube channel? Fair. You say you didn't reach me, you didn't pour me. It's same as also that and you know what I mean, what I else in this YouTube channel, cause I also allow whatever you want, just it's better, even hard or so, or you get angry to me, then I understand if you angry to me, cause the way I can say it's true, it's me. It's me. What you else? Maraming mga nandito, maraming tao dito, pero magkakalayo lang kami ng venue. Ang mga distansya namin, ayun, katulad niyan, 30 meters far behind to me. In this same. Di ba? Sige, if you like to to join or to watch. Have learned more. Just it's better to learn. Like me. Oh, I'm here in this YouTube channel. Just type www.ernie code siphat .com.ph and Gmail. Goodbye right there.